the warm welcome of the staff, the rooms, the bed, and of course the location, because it's really very convenient. It's right in the middle of everything. When we're having the buffet breakfast, I like it kasi every day the menu is different, so you can really start your day with a proper meal and get ready for an exciting day. And yung pandesal nila ang sarap, just lounging around and staying in the room, ganyan. And really, para sa akin, malaking bagay kung gaano kasarap matulog sa kama. At ang sarap tulugan ng kama niyo. Everyone is very, very approachable. They're always ready to help you. You really feel that they're very attentive and they're talagang inaano ka nila, pinagtutuunan ka nila ng pansin. I want to go back here also sa Astoria, Boracay. But I also want to try staying actually sa Astoria Current. And hopefully in the future, I can also stay in Astoria, Puerto Princesa, since I heard that the property is very, very big and there's a water park also. Hey everyone, if you're planning to have a vacation in Boracay, worry no more and you don't have to look anywhere else. You can always stay in Astoria, Boracay. It's located in Station 1. It's very, very convenient. You have direct access to the beachfront and the main road. To my Astoria family, maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap sa amin. You really made our stay in Boracay very special, and it's always Astoria.